How to add family members to Life360 app. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add family members to your Life360, all you have to do is install your Life360 app in your device, then sign up or create an account. Once it is created, you will get your very own circle code that you can share with your family members. To do that, all you have to do is open up your Life360. Now wait until it loads up. To add members to your Life360 app, there is basically two ways. Scroll up the dashboard and you will find an option of add a person. You can select on the option, then send a code to one of your family member to invite into the circle. If not, you can head back from here, tap open the settings option, select on circle management, then from here just tap on add circle members. Again, go ahead and send a code to the family member that you want to add to your Life360 app. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.